Hello everybody, this is Mario and welcome to the fourth video of this mini-series. So far, our application is capable to upload files sent by the user, but it is actually capable of uploading any file whatsoever, even files which are not picture. So, in this video, I will show you how you can filter files uploaded by users to make sure that they are pictures and not something else. Anyway, before we go any further, if you find these videos useful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. With this out of the way, we can start coding. So we have now opened our text editor and we will take care of modifying a little bit the upload route. You must know that in Formidable Express you can pass to the Formidable middleware not only options but events as well. And events allow us to run a certain piece of code depending on what's happening. Very conveniently for us, there is one event which is called file begin that checks if a user sent a file, and in case he or she did send a file, we can run some code. So we will pass another argument to the Formidable middleware. We will pass events, and of course now we will create our event right here. This is an array of events, but in our case we're just going to add one single event, which is the file begin. I will just copy and paste it from my repo. Here we go. But what does all this mean? Well, the code says the following. When a new uploaded file is detected, this function is run. Checks out the file object, gets the name of the file, most importantly gets the file type, and performs a check. And it says if the file type starts with image /, then we will assign a file path so that the server can upload it. Please note that having file path assigned is a key condition for the server to be able to perform the upload successfully. But in case the file type doesn't start with image /, we'll just console log file type is not supported. Moreover, we will also modify our option. Namely, we are going to modify the isOK property of the options object and we will turn it into false. By the way, I've already modified the options object and I replaced the property which was here with the isOK property set to true. So basically we have a new property in the options object set to true. It stays this way if everything goes smoothly and the file is actually an image. If it's not an image, this option is turned into false, so that later on in the upload route we can check the isOK property of the options object and set up the control flow that we want. Let's write it down. We're going to write a simple if statement. If options is OK equal false, then we're going to console log this file type is not supported. Let's capitalize it, looks better. And we will return, yeah, of course, we're going to send our response. res.status 500, we're going to send the server error .send. We're going to send string error. And that's it. So let's now see if this works. We're going to try to upload a random book written by random author, and we're going to try to upload our PDF once again, but this time, boom, it throws an error. As you can see, the PDF file was not saved in our books folder. That's great, isn't it? Anyway, we also want to make sure that the system still works if we upload the right kind of stuff. So let's try to upload once again the 4 hours work week, author Tim Ferriss. Here is our cover. This time it works. At this point, the basic functionality of our application is done. We can still improve it. For example, what happens if all the users decide to send to our server images which are 15 megabytes? You don't want that, right? So, in our next video, we will see how we can resize files to make them smaller. In the meantime, thank you for watching.